Hey guys, we got sent over a 8x6 garden shed to do a little box opening, assembly, and then we're going to see how sturdy it is when we get done. So stick around. All right, well, here you have it. I've got it all put together with the little modifications here and there, and just using the instructions as a reference and not a guide, you're all right. The opening here is 41 3/4, and from the ground up is about 60.5 inches. If you're going to put a big riding tractor in here, you're not going to get it in there unless it's, if it's over a 42-inch cut. Actually, a 42-inch cut wouldn't fit in here. If it's 40 or below, yeah, you could get it in here. But it's be good for putting my push mower in and some of my camping gear, things like that. Not a bad storage shed. And it is a garden shed. It's not like for tractors and things like that. Garden shed meaning for your rakes and shovels and a push mower and a weed eater, little things like that. One thing that was a little difficult for me is this top piece up here. It's got center screws. You're going to have a tall ladder, as you saw, to get those screws in. Rest of them you can reach with a little step stool. Overall, it's not a bad little garden shed. I'll bring the camera up and kind of show you inside here. Yeah, flooring down there. Got a pallet in there for right now, but I'll get some flooring in it later. As far as me recommending it, I would say compare it to other storage sheds. You want to look at the price, the size, and maybe the gauge of the steel, and just go from there. Make up your own mind on that. Like I said, I would suggest looking at other ones as well, but for the price range this one is at, it's going to be kind of hard to beat. The instructions was the biggest drawback on this one at all. Those should be used as a reference only. Anyway, there you have it. I will put a link down in the description so you can check this out for yourself and see if it's something you might like. If you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.